pocket trumpet is a fascinating instrument with several unique qualities that makes it an interesting choice for musicians. And here's some of the highlights. First, as you can tell, it has a compact design in comparison to its primary competitor, the standard B-flat concert trumpet. The pocket trumpet is designed with a tubing wound in a much smaller coil than the standard trumpet. Usually with a smaller diameter bell, compact design makes it highly portable and convenient for traveling musicians who obviously have limited space. So literally, cargo pants, put it in, boom, you have an instrument right there. Practical, more so than putting a larger standard B-flat trumpet in your pocket. Also, the pocket trumpet has a standard pitch of concert B-flat. Okay, just like the B-flat trumpet, you read the same music. This means you can play the same notes and repertoire as a regular trumpet, offering versatility in a smaller package. The pocket trumpet has a unique sound. The tighter windings of the pocket trumpet can alter its sound and resistance when playing. Contributing to its unique character, it produces a bright, rich, and powerful sound that stands out in a solo performance and adds flair to ensembles. However, some people do not prefer the sound of a pocket trumpet because they love the sound of a standard B-flat trumpet. Now, practicality, its size makes it ideal for individuals with smaller hands because it is a limited space that you can put your hands on, and it's also a great practice instrument for professionals who need to keep up their skills while they're on the move. Ultimately, this is one of the biggest reasons why people actually buy and get a pocket trumpet. There's a novelty and there's variety in this particular instrument. The pocket trumpet is not a standard instrument in concert bands or orchestras and is often seen as a novelty. It has been used by soloists in jazz and other ensembles to add a unique visual and auditory element to performance.